Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Patrick Skills, and if you're first time coming to my channel, don't fail to subscribe and like this video. And you also find this video educational and useful, don't fail to like and subscribe as well. And you can do well to check out the videos in the channel. They are all about the make money online channel. So last time I made a video about marketing on fire. I told you that we'll be having a trading bot, which you just invest. The trading bot trade for you, and you cook your profit. Now, and it's possible to make up to $1,300, over $1,300 on a monthly basis on this site, and I'm going to show you how. And it's going to be simple. He said, I should recommend if you want get at least $500 a day for the business. Oops, don't worry. I will show you how you can still earn with just $200. Now, $200 will be used for 3 months subscription. So that's what I was thinking about it's going to be a monthly subscription, but it's going to be a quarterly subscription. Every 3 months you pay for the subscription, and I think that their price has been fixed for $200. So you pay $200 for a monthly subscription. It does less than $100 a month. So the trading, the referral, so you don't have the referral, the power of referral. For those who, for those of you that will complain of not having money, I understand, but let's tell ourselves the truth. To make money, you must give something. If you don't have the cash, you should have time, etc., or what time or whatever. You must provide some value in exchange, and that's true. To make money, you need to provide value in exchange of cash. Therefore, leverage the referral side of this business. Yes, even if you have $10,000 to start this business, you should not ignore the potentials of the referral structure to earn more. Who does not want much money? How you can earn from each referral? Each downline that pays $200 quarterly for the trading bot, you earn $40. That's 20%. So the site pays 20% referral commission. That will be $13 monthly. $40 divided by 3, that will give $13 monthly for each downline. Imagine you have 100 direct downline who pays for the bot. This means every month you will earn $1,300. Wow, that's it. It's just direct downline alone. Remember, you are earning up to a 10th generation of your downline. Wow, I'm having goosebumps. That should say goose pimples. Now, yes, you're going to have. So what I'm trying to say is that the referral generation is to the 10th generation. So when you refer someone, the person refers someone, you're going to be earning to the 10th generation. That's awesome. That's awesome. So, and this is not, you're going to be trading with the trading bot. The way this trading bot is, you're not going to give your money to the third party. You're not paying your money to the site. You're paying for your trading. So there'll be a video that shows you how you can connect your trading bot to Binance or whatever exchange you have. And when these IPs are connected, you have your money with you. So all you're paying is for the bot. So the possibility of scam here is highly reduced. So no one is going to run away with your money. So the worst scenario that happens is if you're not making much profit, you say you're not doing again, you back your money, your Bitcoin, to yourself. You understand? If you don't plan to win, okay, was just for $100. Imagine again that you will be earn what you'll be earning if you have 200, 500, 1,000 downline. That's great. If you don't plan to win, you have automatically planned to lose. With the money you make from referral, you can increase your trading capital. You can refer. You can't refer. Please don't give me the I can't refer attitude. No one was born knowing how to refer. But if you are determined, you would excel. The good news is, sorry, the good news is Marketing on Fire was designed to help you get referrals without stress. That's the good part about this business. It helps you get referrals. It was designed because we have the marketing free marketing videos in the site that one could leverage, one could watch and know how to do to get referrals. That's what he's trying to say. If only you can stop at the excuse and get to work, you will be surprised at the result. It was seem difficult from the beginning, but as you continue to move, you will start to see success. With all that I have been said, can you now see that even with $200 you can start this business by paying for the boat alone, refer and make your trading capital. My humble advice, and you will smile later. Thanks. Smart, think smart, act smart, make smart money. Sign. And that's the fact. So the point you're trying to make in this write-up is this is my guy theory that wrote this up. He's the one marketing in this referral group. The point we're trying to make, he's trying to make here is simple. If you can have $200, you can start. You don't have any trading capital. So I like when people earn from when you earn referral commission. So when you earn a referral commission, then you can use it to better your life. You can use it to put into your capital, trading capital, and start trading while you still pay for the trading boats. For me, it's a good one. Remember, your capital stays with you, everything stays with you. For me, this is a good one. And if you would love to join my link in the description of the video, my WhatsApp number is also in the description of this video. Hit me up and I will show you.